All right, guys. So in this video, I want to just take the time out to run over how you go about calculating the lot size. So for example, like this trade that you took, right? So entry was right here, right? And to find remember to get the lot size. So let me just draw for text. So remember, lot size equal to risk amount divided by stop loss in pips. All right. So that's how we get the lot size. That's the formula. So if we should look on this setup using, this is called, you should have known by now our short position tool. So the number that come directly after where it says stop, then colon. In this case, we have 25.7368. This would be our stop loss in pips, right? So if we should extend it or drag it anyhow, as you can see, the value change. But for this specific setup, this was our stop loss in pips. So in order for us to calculate the lot size, we must divide our risk amount, and that would be any amount that we intend to risk on a single trade. Right? So let's say we want to risk $100 on this trade. So it would be 100 divided by this value. So let's go ahead and do a quick calculation and see what lot size we would get. So $100 would be our risk amount. Are we going to divide our risk amount by our stop loss in pips? So divided by, that is going to be divided by 25.736. 25.736, and that's equal to 3.885. So this is our lot size, guys. That's how we get our lot size in dealing with these index. All right. So the lot size would be 3.88. So if we go into our MetaTrader 5, we're going to execute the trade, the top value. If, let's say, for example, when you go there, you see 8.69. That is different from what we have here. So we'd have to change that value to 3.88. This 3.88 will ensure that if this trade went the other side, right, went up instead and hit our stop loss, we would only lose our $100 because that's what we intend to risk, and we calculated the lot size to ensure that we risk that amount, right? So hope this example was clear, and like I said, this is how you do it for all these index. So if we're on jump 25, it's the same concept. In this case, our stop loss in pips would be 788.3090. So if we divide 100 by that, whatever value we get, that's our that's our lot size, right? For 101s, same thing. So in this case, our stop loss in pips would be 56.5020, right, for this specific setup. All right, guys. So I'll see you in the next video.